Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. How do you do? Good morning guys. Ngayon pa ako guys nagluto kasi ang ating pala akong kanin guys. No, wala tayong rice, wali-wali. So this morning is like 4 degree. 4 right, honey? Negative 4. Grabe katugnaw guys. Perting ginawa dyan sa kalibot-bot. Grabe. Ngayon, ano na siya? Tumaas na siya. Mga nasa 8 degree na. I think 8, 7. Puto ako ng kanin guys. Minimix ko yung yung jasmine. Konting jasmine at konting naman yung ibang rice. Kasi mahal ang jasmine. Ako. Wala na dyan ko yung sapi guys. Wala dyan ko yung kwarta. Pordoy mirian. Grabe ang adlaw sa gawas guys. The reflection of the sun is very bright and it's very shining, sprinkling splendid. What is that, honey? Nagpataka na English, ha? Ha? Oh, sorry. Nagyayaw siya. Nanonood pala siya ng movie and din ako sobrang ingay. Sorry, love. Nanonood pala siya ng movie ako sobrang ingay ko. Hala, even the water is really cold. What happened to you? Why are you having tea? Tommy is not farting guys. He's squishing the
Honey?
the honey. We don't have honey anymore. We have a lot of tea. We have a lot of tea.
I'm saying this honey is out of tea.
Okay. Where are they? Where's the dimples? Like the sun. Our house there too. Yung saba na pinirito guys, na nilagyan ng flour, sobrang sarap pala niya guys. At saka, pag na siya, pagkatapos na ilagay sa refrigerator na, pagkatapos mo lutuin, ilagay mo siya sa air fryer after kung gusto mong kumain. Grabe, ang sarap niya, as in crunchy and hindi siya gooey, hindi siya ng sobrang hinog, yung perfect lang talaga siya, sobra as in. Alam niyo, yun yung buhay ko ngayon guys, walang ginagawa. Tignan niyo tong asawa ko guys, very busy. He's very serious. What happened? The whole thing is dead, Han. I don't know what movie is this was the title. Kanina pa yan siya, guys. Ha? Moonfall. 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 Pulpul. Anyway, so yun siya. Kanina pa yan siya talaga. Nanonood na siya. And then, meron akong tanong sa kanya. Hindi masagot. Kasi, concentrate dudong tami, guys. Concentrate. Open natin itong blind. 12 o'clock na. Para makapasok yung init sa labas. Kanang parang reflection sa sun ba. Pero yung mga blind namin, guys, kino-close namin yung mga blind na sa sliding door. Kasi, siya, sobrang... Hala, Lily! Liam is here! Liam! Not too much! Sa wakas, tapos na yung ating kanin at nagbihis ako ulit guys nung sinuot ko kahapon kasi sobrang ginaw. Ito asawa ko, every time lalabas dito sa bahay, no? I-open niya yung door, ang tagal-tagal, yung sliding door. So yung ginaw is papasok talaga dito. Iwan yun. Nagluto ako ng pasta. Magluto ako ng pasta for Tamimoy. Bisag konti lang ba. Sobrang ginaw ngayon guys. Almost 5 o'clock na. Pero wala kaming ginawa ni Mister. Nanonood lang kami ng movie. Kasi yung pasta na anuhin ko. Konti lang talaga guys. Mga half ani. Para Pero hindi na ako gagawa ng sauce. Kasi meron kasing sauce. Merong sauce sa baba. Yung homemade ni Tami. So, okay na. So, hindi na ako mag-aligaga pa na magawa-gawa ng sauce kasi alam na this. So, kailangan ko may mga old sauce dito. So, kuha tayo nito. Bago pala ito niya nabili na gawa, no? Ito. Meron ditong mga old, guys. 224. I think itapon na yan kasi hindi nagamit. Hindi agad nagamit ba? So, kaya, ayun. Yung mga ganito lang, konting sauce, and then pagkatapos, dalawang kainan lang, bites na. Guys, itong asawa ko, guys, may mga planong hindi ko alam. Naguroy, nagbihis, guys. Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo. Hindi ko alam guys kung asan ang punta ni Mister, no? Pero tignan natin kung anong plano niya kasi bili kami nag-order si Tami ng ng pagkain. Parang wala kaming pagkain sa bahay. Just keep going here. It's hard to turn over there. Just keep going here. Nag-order kami ng pagkain kasi si Tami always think na wala kaming pagkain. I think he forgot that he has a lot of food sa freezer. So, yun. Nag-order siya sa Colombia. I told him I don't wanna eat red snapper that is not wild caught. So, it's over there lang. Andito na kami. Pick up na ni Tami. I think they're not ready yet. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-fried chicken ako, Jollibee, kasi gustong-gusto ko guys. Samtang okay, hindi pa siya, bago pa lang masyadong bili ba, hindi pa ilang buwan. Maganda siya, pero what happened? So, pabayaan na lang natin siya.
The beef sauce is in the bag, but he said, "Oh, if I give you a new sauce, it's amazing."
Oh, okay.
That's supposedly the new sauce on it. Did you have your?
What is that? What did you give me?
Didn't you open the bag, really?
No.
It's churros.
Oh, it's churros?
Yeah.
So yun, kakarating lang namin guys. Initin lang natin itong sauce ni Tami and then kakain kami agad. The only problem is, it's open. Hala, this has been open already. Love.
Tammy's knife.
I love you. Come on, kiss
I
me.
love you too. Just see your fingernails.
Hala, it's bad, love.
It's not. I'm seriously. You can. You're not gonna be the one.
Come sail away, come sail away, sail away, away, away. Okay, it's right here. I've been looking for this thing. So, look at this. There's worm in it. Ito yung sauce na ginawa niya, guys. With meat. So, initin ko lang siya ng madalian. And then, kain kami. Kakarating lang